Excuse me. What's up, y'all? This is Tyrone Stock Tips, and we are back. So this is a quick update about my Google trade. We got bad news. The day after I entered this trade, I entered right here. It went up, and then a major catalyst came through and literally made the whole stock sell off. Right, and what that catalyst was a few AI leaders in Google just resigned. Um, no one could have predicted that. I couldn't have predicted that, but that's all part of the game, and that's why you want to have what you call risk management. Now, I gotta admit, I had weekly closes as my goal for stop losses, but I'm willing to override that decision. Before I said, if I have a weekly close below 365, I have to exit this trade. Now, I believe that that might be the wrong decision, right? And I explain why. One, it was a major catalyst, and the sell off may have been oversold, not based on these indicators. But what I'm saying is it was a sell off that may have kind of been overdrawn. Now, some people may know more information than I do, but um, I don't believe that's gonna cause this stock to continue downward. Now, what you'll notice, I have this indicator called a Bollinger Band. Some people use it in a different manner than I do. The way most people use it is they use it as an entry, right? For either an entry or explanation of a direction, right? So, for instance, let's just say this trade, right? The way people use it is if the candles are above this purple line, which is the middle of the Bollinger Band, they know that we're still in an uptrend. And the way some people will take a trade like this is they'll enter here and hold all the way until either they have a like a take profit zone, or they'll wait until the candles cross below this, or they may even use an EMA like this, right? They may say, okay, enter here, exit whenever this candle whenever we have a candle close below this EMA, right? But the way I use it, I just use it to see if we're in an uptrend. I don't use it as a way to exit. My exits are usually near whenever we reach all time high, or if we got a situation like what we have now, whenever we touch the top of the trend, that's usually when I would exit. So again, I use it to partially determine a current trend, right? So you could even use it the other way. Once we're below it, we're going to be in a downtrend for a while. Now, if we're going sideways, of course, it means nothing. Like this, it went up, went down. And you can never be too sure of that, right? But for now, I truly believe we're continuing this uptrend, right? Um, I believe that this is just a retest, or it's going to be a higher low. All a higher low means is the stock market moves in waves. You go up and then you go down. This is what you call a higher low. The last low was, somewhere around here, I guess. This didn't really have many higher lows, but this did, right? A higher low is when it goes down just to form another high, right? Now, that's not confirmed with this. It could just crash back all the way to the trend line, or all the way back to the 200 EMA. But this is what I'm expecting. You see this sort of trail that I drew? This is not verbatim. I'm just showing you what I expect to happen is up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way to the upper portion of the trend line. That's the good news about this. If it was to shoot straight up, I would have probably taken profit at all-time highs. But because of we have new space forming, I think I am going to take it at the trend line. Take my TP at the trend line. But in my opinion, this would have been a better entry. So if you looking to get into this trade, this probably is the optimal entry. You know what I mean? If if I had waited, I probably would have entered here because this is low risk, right? I gotta sit through drawdown of about 1,200 now, but I'm willing to do it because my expiration date is June 2027. So I have almost a year for this to recover, right? So we're down 1200. Probably gonna suffer a little bit more. To about here. It could or could not happen. This may be the support line, which is this 7 EMA. I don't know. It looked like it reacted off of that, but there's no proof that this is the end. So um we just gotta watch. I'm gonna make a new video once we either touch here or get back above to the top of the Bollinger Band. So I was gonna make a video Friday about the how the trade ended for the week, but this is really the new standard. So I put my alert for 352, kind of about what this Bollinger Band is. The actual number is three. What is it? 351.62. So until we reach this point and fall below it and hold below it for a week, I'm not concerned. This is a very risky trade now, but I'm willing to take the risk. It's, it only changes my trade by about $400 or $500. I'm already at 1,200. So I don't recommend anyone do this. This is not a financial advice channel. This is me just showing you how I operate as a trader. Um, until then, I'll give y'all an update. Y'all probably see a couple streams. They don't show up on YouTube. My streams are on Kick or Rumble. But until then, for people that want to get in, this is probably the best time to enter this trade. But for me, unfortunately, I got to sit through this. I'm willing to do it. I have the risk tolerance. I have the psychological tolerance. Um, so I'll get back at y'all next time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, leave comments on what y'all think about this trade. Am I gonna fail or am I right? What do you think about it? We had that gap fill, so we'll see. Until then, I'll see y'all next time. Peace, peace, peace.